What you got there, Private?
Chicken, sir, ready to be plucked and prepared by the cook.
Very well. You boys will eat good tonight.
Where would you like them, sir?
Send them to Mac, the cook.
Yes, sir. Delivery, Master Cook. Chickens for the men.
Delightful! I can't wait to roast them!
Hey, you! Mac, make sure to season the chickens properly.
Preparing 12 chickens for the feast, sir.
12? I want 13 chickens. Where's my 13th chicken?
I don't know!
Find that chicken!
What are you doing in here? You must be the missing chicken. An egg? I love having eggs for breakfast. Why don't you stay around with me? We can be best friends.
Of my mind, misty watercolor memories of the way we were. Scattered pictures of the smiles we left behind.
Private, status report.
We're losing terribly, sir. We must retreat.
I see I have no choice then. Then it shall be. Order of forestry! Wait a minute. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Where's Nellie? You know, we ought to have a feast. A grand feast in preparation for this grand battle. Oh, wait. Mac, what we got? What we got for food?
Well, we have meats and fruits and vegetables and stuff.
Good. Prepare it at once.
Alright. So we have fruit and bread and beef and pork, but we don't have any chicken. We need chicken.
What a truly grand meal. Truly grand dinner. What do you guys think of it?
Oh, the raspberry tart. Thank you, chef. It was brilliant.
So, sir, what are your thoughts on the chicken?
Chicken. The chicken was delicious. I thought it was the best part of the meal. It had this great texture to it, and taste was brilliant. My compliments too, chef.
Thank you, sir. It means a lot.
I'm sure it does. Well, on that note, I'll be retiring for the night. Night, gentlemen. That chicken was perfect in every way. It was perfect in every. Oh no!